Module 15. Robots and Smart Machines. Robots versus AI. What's the difference? AI is the brain. Robots are the body. Together they drive cars, vacuum floors, deliver pizza, and sometimes fly. Smart machines combine AI with sensors and motors, cameras to see, microphones to hear, wheels or wings to move. Then AI tells them what to do next. Self-driving cars use AI to spot lanes and stop signs. Smart homes adjust the lights and thermostat. Delivery drones find your front door from the sky. Wild. Mini project. Design your future AI robot. Job. What does it do? Sensors. What does it have? Movement. How does it get around? Draw it. Final module coming up. Build your very own AI invention. Get ready for the capstone.